Hi folks, welcome to my channel. This is Wiki Explorer, and today I have bought this portable LED light from Meesho to do a quick unboxing of this product and give you a review about this product. I mean, this is not exactly a new one. I've been using this from past 1 month, and right now I think I'll be able to give you the good honest review of this one. To be more clear, this is not a paid partnership or an affiliated with Meesho or this particular product. I just thought this is going to be a good product for any new people of content creators who is looking something in the budget. So let's just have a look at the box. How the box is. This says LED video light, LED pocket video light, and usually this comes with three types of light, which is RGB and tricolor light, white light. So basically this is going to be used for phones, tablet, laptop, and also for the big monitors or PC. I'm definitely going to add the link of the product in the description, and I'm going to mention the price as of today. It says 5000 hours of LED longevity. It usually takes around 3 hours to full charge, and I have tried it myself, and the brightness is also really good. This is the LED light, a complete flat, not a glossy one, it's a matte finished, a big LED light, and we can see the buttons and the charging socket in the back side. And I think this is the clip on. We should be connecting this to the LED light, and we can be using this for the laptop, TV, monitor, phone, or anything as such. Yes, the clipping is also easy. So this is how we are going to clip the product to the phone. So we can either point this towards the face or to the opposite, and after that we can also set the angle of this, and this particular knob can be used for tightening the position. Okay, I'm just going to show you the tutorial of connecting this to the phone on the later stage. Let me just check the light quality, and I want to show you the brightness of this. So it takes a long press to switch on and a long press to switch it off. Yes, right now it's on. Now again we can see different letters on this. It says R, S, plus and minus. So I'm going to press the R now. It's changing its color, red. Yes, after a certain of series of colors, then it changes the way it operates. Now this is a flashy. Again, this feature is also available for the rest of the colors. Now again, this is one of a different sequence. It is like changing from one color to other color in a slow process. Now again, this is also same, but changing the colors in a different speed. Now we are back to the same thing, the first one. And what about the S button? The S is all about the white lights. White, this is the pure white, and this is the golden color. Flash, this is a mix of white and yellowish color. This is the white, and this is the yellowish or the golden. Now after, when you press the same button again, we'll be able to see the flashing of these colors. Now again, if you really want to shift from white colors to again the colors, the different colors, we don't have to press the S button, or we don't have to switch. We just have to press the red R. And okay, sure. And I want to show you what is this plus and minus. This is basically setting the brightness to increase the brightness, and this one is to reduce the brightness. This is the maximum, I guess. I'm going to reduce it. This is the lowest. Again, I'm going to increase it. Yeah, this is the maximum. The body is quite light, not so heavy, so that I don't think so it's a problem to load this product on top of the phone or the tablet. You won't be feeling too heavy on this, unless if you're moving around the product too much. And the grip is also too hard to press, which means it has a great strength. And if you can see closely in this part, you can see there's a rubber finish. Yes, you can also see the grip is rubber coated with something. They have the sticker, so this is not going to be harsh or leaving marks on the phone. Most of the times this is going to be used as an selfie camera, for the brightness for the selfie camera. Now you can see there's the camera's lens is this, and we're not going to interrupt with that one. And this is how the setup will look like. This is going to be really useful for someone who is starting their content creation and they're looking something in the good budget, and this is going to be a great use. This is going to be also used as a portable light, not just necessarily it has to be for the selfie one or for the vlogging. This can also be used for get ready with me kind of a thing, the makeup tutorial, or if you're doing any artwork and you want to highlight that, or any ASMR videos or detailing related videos. This light is going to be a good use, I guess, under this budget. Perhaps they are not going to give you any USB cable for that. We just have to use what's left in the house, and we need to buy something is separate for this one. We are going to use this C type, and you want to use this USB cable to the adapter, and usually it takes 2 hours or sometimes also 3, depends on how much you have already used it. And I don't think it has a major heating issues as such, because I have used from past 1 month. Now again, there are so many other slots here where it will be useful for us to connect it to the DSLRs or many other vlogging cameras. So right now I have made the room a little bit darker, and I have also removed the clamp of this one, and I'm going to turn on various different lights, and I'm going to place it, because as you can see there is a background over there, and I'm going to place this as an ambient light, and I'm going to show you that. So yes, so if you're having some home setup as a studio, you can just place it like this, and again you can pan the camera and keep it in this way, and having multiple of such lights at home can easily give you a good ambience. Now if you frame the camera like this, as it's actually in the morning, I'm not shooting at the night, and my room is not completely dark, but I have just closed the windows. So also we can also keep this on top of some table, and we can actually increase the height of that, and we can place this light in a different and which will easily give you the ambience of a studio. So if you just place the camera like this, or if somebody else is holding the camera, and the light like this, and if we can pan it out to the sideways, this is how the background might look. Okay, let's change the color and check it out. Now this is green, blue, and so on, continue. And I have also kept the brightness to the maximum right now because it's still in the morning. We have sometimes set the light to the medium brightness or even low sometimes, because the throw of the brightness is too much. I mean, easily having this two items can literally upgrade our studio to the next level. You don't have to stick something, we don't have to draw the wires, unnecessary wires again, and make a mess out of this. Let's change the color. Wow. I mean, again, it's left to you upon what kind of videography are you making. And I think we don't actually need more than this, because see, this has stagnant colors of multiple RGB colors, and again, it has white, bright, and yellow thing, and it also has this automatic changing from one color to other color, blinking, flashing, and all sorts of things. And any other light, I mean, I don't think so, which we can expect from at least this point of price. This is too much, we have to say. The one light can actually cover half of the studio space. If we can spend at least on two, the four will be the maximum. If you can just spend on two, this is going to be great. If you're doing something detailing of the bike or car, and I think different lights is going to give you the different shades, and I think this is really worth for the product. And I don't really think so the product is going to get bad or get broken very soon. And the quality of the product is also quite good, and mostly this is plastic, and this is also a rigid plastic, and I have also thrown it on the floor once and it did not break, but again, I don't recommend that. The brightness is really good. I'm definitely going to put the link and the image of the product from the Meesho, and I'm pretty much happy and convinced with the product. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I thought it's going to be more useful for the new content creators looking for something in the budget. So if you really like the video, please like and comment, and please do follow my account for more such budget friendly and online and offline oriented products. Thank you so much.